You can join this platform and create the account using Google, and here you can also get the access. First, we need to open the text to image where you have to give the prompt what type of image you need. You can select AI model and select the image ratio as well as the size, and you can also check the number of color key, and then you have to click on the arrow button. In this way you can also create a task that will give you like the quick result. It can be downloaded and you can check out the perfectness but your own satisfaction. And next you can also check the other tool is image to image. If you have image you want more chaining in it, you can select an image. Like I am going to selecting this chair, and I want on this chair there should be a dog. And then you can also check I have given the prompt and now select the EA model, and after that you can also proceed with the ratio. There is also something that you can easily select it, and after click on the next button, that is okay, and task will be generated. In this way, you can also create the best result to what you need as imagination, image to image. And next, we are going to come on the image edit option that I have already shown you. This is also the perfect option. If you want to change the background, like I have this image, and I am going to change its background into PNG. This is JPEG profile. And now we are also going to just to give the picture and click on the task to generate. And here is also the picture background has been removed successful. In this way you can easily create your image PNG form. And next we are coming into the video section, text to video. First we need to give the text what type of video you need, a model that you want to select, and after that you can also choose here the prompt is perfect. And we can also select the next one is about the ratio size of the video, like it should be 16:9 with also the perfect task creation. You can check out video has been generated and you can enjoy the drones of panda that we have generated using WeryAI. This is something really interesting, but if you want to come in the image to video, then you can also check I have selected an image of a helicopter image, and now we are coming into the drone type scene that we will also check out in this video. So here you can also select the immortal and task to generate. For that you can check the video have been generated like a drone, and it is also perfect with. This was image that have been converted into a video with high resolution. You can also upgrade it to. But now next you can also check here is first and last frame. Like two images via first and last frame will also be attached. And now we are going to select here first in the running state. Second is to come on the place where a man is also making ad. Now we click on the next option, and this is also the video that have been generated. A girl is also running in the jungle and it come into the city side, and then it will stand with a boy that is in the last frame of the video we have given. So it is also the perfect thing that you can also check out. And next you can also come in the video edit option. Here we have generated already a panda video there, I want to change in this video that this panda should have independent and should. So here I have given the prompt, and now I am going to check out the result that is really funny, but it cool, and you can also check out in this thing. So next you can also come here to get music inspiration. You can create the music according to your own wish for that. You can also put the image you want to add image music. You can give the theme. Here I have I'll eliminate lyrics about my channel to Sonic, and then you can also go for male voice or female voice and select one of them. And then so you can easily click on the music donation option with these genre, and this is the emotion, what type you need music. And after the task creation, you will get the music is also crypto sonic, yo, we riding the wave, coins going up, yo, we stacking that way. I hope, guys, you understand, and you are also here to get more points on daily basis. Login, you can also upgrade your account by getting into this and having some plans to get more credit that will be used while account creating. You can easily get AI editing with multiple tools, so enjoy your epic genu with the creation you want. And there are multiple AI tool that will help you to make your creation more impressive. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Check out link in video description. See you next video.